this bathroom we installed beautiful big tiles. Don't ever buy small tiles for the bathroom. Small tiles just look ridiculous. Look at the size of this tile. This is a big tile. And you see the distance from this wall and the distance from there is the same distance. This is the biggest niche we ever made. And this is just a hallway bathroom. Like usually the niche is probably the size of like the same height, but probably like around 12 inch or 16 inch, maximum 24 inch. But look at that, it's like almost corner to corner. The niche, you can put here as many shampoos and soaps that you need. But the tiles are very impressive. Big tiles. Everything is in the shades. If you see, everything in the shade of gray and white, bluish, grayish and white. You've got new vanity, new toilet, new tiles on the floor, new tub, new tiles on the walls, new niche, and new faucet, new mirror, new light. Everything is brand new. Only the window is still the same window. Even the walls that you see here are brand new walls. Because we gutted this bathroom, we completely started from scratch. So this bathroom, we are really proud. It's a small, tiny hallway bathroom, but it's like just perfect for the guests, for the newborns. You know, they have babies now, so they're going to use this tub for the twins. What a blessing. Okay, so this is the hallway bathroom. Tiny bathroom that we just renovated. As you see, even though it's a tiny bathroom, the tiles are still kind of like a big tile. We also built for them a bench that they can sit and relax while they're taking the shower. And then we've got here a nice niche. Not so big, but it's a nice size of a niche to put some shampoos and all kind of stuff. As you see here, we've got shower head. Like it's kind of like almost like a massage thing to your head. Like so many opening. And we've got here the handle for the shower head. And then it's really nice. We like it. As you see, the whole house is grayish color. It's kind of like very popular in the last 5 years. Everything is gray. The tiles are gray. The tiles on the floors are gray. It's different tiles. And we've got the toilet white, the walls. Most of them, even the countertop, is gray and white. Everything here in the shades of gray and white. And some spaces we've got some dark gray, like on the tiles of the floor. Even the drain is silver, the same color. The frame of the niche is silver. Beautiful. The number one rule in bathroom, don't ever install small tiles. They just look ridiculous. It's at the 80s. So this is kind of considered is the minimum size of tile. The tiles that used to be like the tiny tiles are ridiculous. It used to be like 3 inch by 3 inch. But now look at this. This is kind of like not such a big of a tile, but it looks so much better. Make it look more spacious, bigger. So this is, as you see, this is the third bathroom in this house that we installed. We installed 3 bathrooms here, and all of them are the gray and white, grayish white colors. This is the theme of the house: gray, bluish, some tiles. The tiles on the floor are different than the walls of the shower, and they're different than the tiles on the floor of the bathroom itself. So as you see here, we've got here this kind of tile here. Inside the niche, we've got different tiles that are the same tiles that we've got on the floor. Very nice. I think I'm going to install the same thing in my bathroom, at my house. The frame, I'm silver. Still the same theme of gray and white. Also, as you see, the floor, we are in the middle of the installation right now. As you see, the floor of the bathroom are also gray color, but they are different than the shower itself tiles. The vanity is a tiny vanity because we still have to install here a toilet. So this is the minimum that we can do here. This is a guest bathroom. We are in the basement of the house. So we still have to install, of course, the mirror, the lights. We still have here probably a day and a half of work. Right now the painter is applying the first coat of paint before the installation, and then after all the installation of the mirror, the lights, faucet, we're going to apply the second coat of paint, and of course the cover of the electric boxes, and then we're going to install here the window sill. All this will sit like a window sill, kind of like a shelf. And then you see with the exterior of the house. The only thing that we didn't replace in this house are the windows. The windows are still from 1960, this house. Everything else, every single inch in this bathroom is brand new. The fan is new, the paint is new, the walls are new. All these walls that you see are brand new. Only the beams, the structure is still the same structure, but we replace the insulation behind this wall. We install brand new walls, and then we're going to install the same seal that you used to have here before. That's what they ask. Everything brand new, and we've got the bench.